Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all doing well and you're ready for more of our Grade 8 Gauss contest. We're looking now at question number 9. The 26 letters of the alphabet are written in order, clockwise, around a circle. The ciphertext of a message is created by replacing each letter of the message by the letter that is 4 letters clockwise. So 4 letters further in the alphabet from the original letter, and of course, so it's going to look sort of like A, B, C, D, and A would go to, it's 4 letters, so A would go to E, that sort of a thing. And then B would go to F. But the letters are written all the way around, so, for example, Z, well, you'd run out of space, but Z would circle back and go to D, that sort of a thing. For example, the message ZAP has a ciphertext D-E-T, because Z goes to D, A goes to E, and I assume P goes to T if I were to write out the full circle. Now, I don't want to write out the full circle of letters because I think I'd be bad at spacing that out. But that's certainly one way to do this question, which I actually haven't gotten to the question. What is the ciphertext of the message win? Okay, win. So we could, as I say, make a big circle. I think it'd be really hard to space it out. A, across from that would be an N, not an M. I'll see if I can make one while I talk. M, L, K, J, I. I'm going to run out of space. G, F, E, D, C, B. Okay, that didn't go poorly. But you'll notice it's taking me a while to actually make this, and you probably don't want to, just because it's going to eat up time. So I'll finish this up, and then we can talk about ways to do the question without it. Z, W, U, W, X, Y, Z. So that's roughly a circle. Okay? And so if you actually do bother to write this out, and you can say, okay, win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, oh, no, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, doy. Silly me. 1, 2, 3, 4, so it gets replaced with an A. And then win, so I. 1, 2, 3, 4, you get an M. And then N, win. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get an R. So we're looking for AMR. So that's a fine way to do the question. Absolutely fine. It gives you an answer of C, but it takes quite a bit of time to do the setup. Instead, what you could do is just say, all right, I understand the principle. It's going around in a circle. And so Z, as they've shown in the example, they specifically gave us ZAP so that we would understand how the end of the alphabet, like W, is handled. That just sort of spills over and it all cycles around. So instead of writing a big wheel of letters like this out, we could just say, all right, mentally, let's just start with win. Okay, very simple, start with win. And then count up what's the next letter in the alphabet. So this would be the 1, and then the 2, and then the 3, and then the 4, and we'll be done. So after W comes X, and then I is J, and then N is O, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and so on. So very, very quick. It's sort of annoying to do it one line at a time, but the only real trouble you should have is the Z going over to the A here. But again, I mean, look how little writing I needed for this. As long as I understand the pattern, I did not have to try and space out a big circle of letters. I think I tried that because this question was on the grade 7 Gauss. I tried it and I failed to space the letters out quite spectacularly. But either way, we get AMR, and that gives us an answer of C. And that's it for question number 9. Up next, question number 10. I'll see you there.